Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to make eggy in the middle. So exciting. So what you're going to need is 2 pieces of bread. I'm using white bread because that's all I had in the freezer. But I usually don't buy white bread. I buy brown bread. You're also going to need 2 eggs, a frying pan, and a little bit of butter. So what I'm going to do, if you just come a little closer, is I'm going to cut a sort of rectangle shape out of the bread like this with a little knife. And if you need help to do this part, just check in with whoever's looking after you today. I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to cut these rectangles out. And see, I'm not cutting through the crust. I'm going to leave that part because I'm going to need that for what comes next. So let me pop these out. Ah, perfect. I'm gonna put some butter in the pan now. And please check in with whoever's looking after you to help you with this part because it's gonna get very hot in here. Come look at the butter melting. What I'm going to do now is put my little pieces of bread in like that, and then my square crusts, I'm going to put them in like there. You can come and have a look. And I'm going to get some butter on this side, and then I'm going to flip them to make sure that there's some butter on both sides like that. And I must be really careful not to break my crusts. I need to keep them together for what I'm doing next. So now that I've got some butter on each side, I'm going to leave them to sizzle over there, and I'm going to push the crusts down to make sure that they're touching the pan everywhere. Time to break my first egg. Perfect. Try not to let it leak out too much, but it will leak out a little bit. And I'm going to break my next egg now. Ah, perfect. Make sure that you have something ready to flip everything with. So I have my spatula over here. And then just keep an eye on your eggies. You're going to want them to cook for about 2 or 3 minutes on the one side. And then if you like your eggies flipped over, then you're going to use something like this to flip your eggs over and cook them a little bit on the other side as well. Time to flip. Look at my crunchy toast. Amazing. Should we try flip an egg, everybody? Is it egg flipping time? Let's have a look. Just wiggle your spatula underneath, get it on top, and then give it a little flip. That looks perfect. Get your spatula underneath, get it on top, and a little flip. Wow, nearly ready for breakfast. Breakfast is served. And I can put my little toast hat next to or on top. Have a look over here. This little toast hat is going on top. And don't forget, guys, to switch off the stove. Come have a look over here. Very important. Make sure that the stove is switched off. And now you can go enjoy your eggy in the hole, eggy in the middle. Guys, and one of the coolest things you can do with eggy in the hole is surprise somebody with it. So come have a look over here. Look, we've got our salt, pepper, coffee, and a little bit of parsley. A little bit of parsley on the eggy. Come have a look what we're gonna do. Come. Surprise!
Wow, that's service. You can come more often. Thank you.
Enjoy!
Thank you very much.